Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in the previous tutorial we have seen how to work with Arduino, and we have also seen various for loop, while loop. Okay, we have also seen how to connect three LEDs and single LEDs with the Arduino. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to connect your ultrasonic sensor with LED. So basically what will happen, your ultrasonic sensor is responsible for measuring the distance. Okay, so we are going to interconnect these two things. We are going to connect ultrasonic sensor and LED to the Arduino. Okay, and we are also going to see how to do the connections. Okay, so first of all we are going to use an online simulator called Tinkercad. So let's open Tinkercad first. First go to Google. So in Google you have to choose your login ID and you need to type Tinkercad here. So basically I'm just hiding it so that it won't be a trouble for us. So now Tinkercad is open. So now let's see how to work with your how to design a circuit. Okay, I will design one by one and I'll show it to you. Basically the next step is to open we are very familiar with this Tinkercad because in the previous video we have also seen how to work with this Tinkercad. So just click on create button, circuits, and the next step I have to design the circuit. So from basically I'm going to choose the Arduino first here, and I'm just going to change this position to this, and I will try distance sensor. So this is basically an ultrasonic sensor which is responsible for measuring the distance. Okay, so we'll try to give up a different distance and we'll check how does this work. So now LED. So basically one LED I'm going to select, take this LED, do the connection. Make sure we know that VCC is always goes to 5 volts. Just do a random connection, and the ground goes to ground always. There is no change in this. 2 leftover pins are triggered and echo. So triggered we are going to connect it to the pin number, let's say 5, and the echo pin I'm going to connect to the pin number 4. Okay, now I can change the colors. If you like to change the colors you can do it. So basically a white color, we can give any color to the any wire. So I'll just changing the color. You can also do the changing simultaneously. So the 4 colors, 4 different wires, and cathode will always go to the ground itself. So I'm just turning this to black because the ground is responsible for the black. With the black ground work with black color. It work with any color, but we always prefer connecting black color to the ground. So now connection is completed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the code and I will explain you step-by-step coding. Okay, and how does this work. Okay, so let's go to the Arduino where I have written the code already. So I'll go to file and I'll choose my code. My code is ultrasonic and LCD is written over here. I have just written this code few moments ago. So let me explain, because I have connected the LED to pin number 3. You can see I just minimize this one to show you. I'll just go to this one and this one. Okay, so we can see the LED is connected to the pin number 3, and ultrasonic or echo is connected to the pin number 4, and trigger is connected to the 5. So the same connection we can see here. Let me bring it here closer to it. Okay, so basically this is a global declaration area where we need to define the pins which are utilized by the Arduinos. Okay, so there are basically 3 pins which are utilized by the Arduino, and common and ground pin we don't bother about, we don't write these things in the global declaration area. So this is a global declaration area as I'm pointing it out. So now the next step, what we have done in the void setup, we have given the input and output. These pins are basically an LED is output, echo is input, and trigger is also an output. Now coming to the next set of code. So basically what we are doing here is, as you know, the ultrasonic sensor, it works like a sonar and radar. So first basically it has to send signals to the object, okay, and after reflecting from the object, the signals come back to the receiver. Okay, so just imagine this is a one end which is act as a transmitter, and this one act as a receiver here. Okay, so I'll just draw it and show it to you so that it will be easy for you to understand. So let me take a pencil. So right now I'm unable to draw a figure over here, so I'll just explain it with the words. So here what we can see, the trigger low, that signal which is going towards the object, it has to be first at low position and for 2 seconds, and after that it has to go to the high. The trigger signal has to go high for 10 seconds, again low. That means it is sending a complete cycle, okay, of a signal, like a cycle of a wave which is going towards the object. And once the object is, the signal is reflected back from the object, it is coming to the receiver, and this is a mathematical calculation what we have added up, and in duration distance we have taken. And whenever the distance goes less than, if the distance is less than 20, this is the condition we have set up. If the distance goes less than 20, the light will be on, LED will be on, and if the condition is, the distance is more than 20, the light will off. Okay, the same code we are going to copy it from here, and we are going to paste it there. Copy, and I'll just go here and I'll paste it over here. Text, continue, select all these things and just paste that one. Okay, now what will happen, whatever the signal you have we are sending, it has been received by the receiver. Okay, so the duration and distance are the two variables. Okay, duration for traveling, the time taken by the signals to travel from the trigger to the receiver, and the distance is also a variable where we are storing the distance. Okay, let's simulate this one. So as you can see, it's showing some error, so you need to go and check those error. So basically this one is not there, semicolon, it is expecting a semicolon. Now you can do a simulation. After simulation you will find that, I'll just lower my Windows screen, I'll just zoom it out so that I can just click on this. We can see the signal in centimeter is, so we are working on a centimeter, 113 centimeter. So at this condition, that means it is more than 20, that's why light is off. But if I try to drag this one and make it within 20 centimeter, at that instance you will find that LED will be glowing. So here we are not able to see whether the light is glowing or not. So let me check the connection once. Connection and the pins. So now we'll see the code here. The code is ready. Okay, no changes in the code. So we'll just click on this simulator button, and after clicking on this simulator button we will see the output over here. So the distance is 119, the LED is off because it's more than 20, and whenever the distance is less than 20, LED is on. Okay, whenever it's less than 20, LED will be on. Whenever it is more than 20, LED will be off. So these conditions we can do. Now another task for you is that from now on we are going to give a task after every video tutorial videos. First, what you will do, whenever the you need to display this value to the serial monitor. Okay, the value which is available here, 94.2, whatever the value from the ultrasonic sensor, you need to display it to the serial monitor. Okay, and once you are done, just write on a comment box that you're done. Thank you.